Welcome to another episode of Take Off Monday, where we discuss topics dealing with entrepreneurship, career transitions, podcasting, and video streaming. We try to keep our shows short and to the point, little nuggets of useful information. If you want more information than provided, then please go to our website, rocketshipconsultants.com. I'll say it again, rocketshipconsultants.com. There you can read our blog and subscribe to our newsletter. I'm Rosanna Catalano, an attorney and owner and founder of Rocket Ship Consultants. Our company helps clients that are stuck. We help them to get moving. Clients call us when they can't seem to get ahead in their career or they're stuck in a job they hate. They call us when they can't get this business idea out of their head, but they can't seem to move forward on it either. And they call us when they dream of creating a video show or a podcast, but don't even know where to start. Our team of coaches and consultants can help you focus, prioritize, and inspire you to start making progress on your goals. The idea behind Rocket Ship Consultants is about changing your trajectory, launching yourself into new and better areas.
Our company works with so many clients on launching themselves or their businesses in creative ways and practical ways. I'm Joy Tootle, and I work at Rocket Ship Consultants. Our team is made up of attorneys, and each of us, including myself, have a unique background, and we bring a wide variety of experience to this company. I've worked in both private law practice and in state government. I've worked with the Florida Board of Medicine. I was even appointed to be a consumer member on the Florida Board of Medicine. I spent a number of years working and teaching at the university level. And over this past year, I've been working a lot with Ro to edit her popular podcast, The Floridaville. We've also been working on producing and co-hosting live stream shows like this one.
We've spent a lot of episodes discussing entrepreneurship and business ownership, and tonight is no exception. Last week we talked about protecting your business with regards to lawsuits, and tonight we're going to talk about insurance and compliance when it comes to your business. Now, these aren't the sexiest topics, but they're stuff that you really need to know as a business owner. So we have recorded a number of these episodes on entrepreneurship and business ownership, so please go to our YouTube channel to find the episodes there. Also, direct the business owner in your life to our YouTube channel as well. And in a couple of weeks, we'll be wrapping up our focus on business ownership, and we're going to turn our attention to some internal topics dealing with growth. So let's talk about insurance. Insurance has evolved so much over the years that an entrepreneur can insure herself against most risks.
If a business owner is willing to pay a premium to a sophisticated insurer, then they can protect against almost anything except for fraud and intentional wrongdoing. Insurance can protect the business owners from personal liability and protect the assets and future retained earnings of the business. You have to make sure that your insurance broker understands your business and the risks associated with your business. Typical types of coverage for newer businesses are generally liability, product liability, errors and omissions for the directors and the officers, fire and casualty, business interruption, key personnel life and disability insurance, insurance to fund share repurchases upon the death or disability of a major individual shareholder, and workers' compensation.
Yeah, insurance is divided into two categories. First party and third party liability insurance. First party insurance protects a business in the situation where the damage or loss is to the property or the insured. For example, a standard property insurance policy insures against loss due to fire, flood, or theft. And third party insurance protects against liabilities to others arising out of the conduct of the business, such as injuries caused by auto accidents, product defects, and slip and fall cases. Businesses should carry third-party insurance for product liability and premises liability at a minimum. You want to protect the business from injuries occurring on site or as a result of the products that you sell.
Now, all of this is going to depend on the industry that you are involved with. If you happen to be a magazine publisher, then you would want to insure against a defamation lawsuit. Usually, a liability policy will provide that the insurance company will also bear the cost of defending any tort litigation against the insured and will pay damages up to the limits of the policy. Punitive damages are uninsurable as a matter of public policy, and that's because they're intended to punish the wrongdoer.
That's correct. And, let's take a quick commercial break. And when we come back, let's jump into compliance. At Rocket Ship Consultants, our mission is to launch your business, career, or podcast. Our team works with you to start and grow your business with fresh ideas and inspiration. Let us make key introductions on your behalf and leverage our network of contacts. Talk to us before you send your application in for a new position, a university admission, or a scholarship. From resumes and interview preparation to negotiating offers, our experienced career advisors can help you at all levels achieve your career goals. Let us help you take that dream you have for a podcast or video and turn it into a reality. Rocket Ship Consultants offers a variety of services, so check out our website at rocketshipconsultants.com. Take off with Rocket Ship Consultants and launch your business, career, or podcast with us. Welcome back. We're talking about insurance and compliance tonight. Entrepreneurs need to fully understand the nature of the insurance documents that they are signing. Insurance documents are lengthy and often confusing. And I'm an attorney, and I can say that, you need to make sure you understand your rights and duties, as well as the time limits to report claims. And make sure you have a good insurance broker that can help you navigate these documents.
For sure. Yes, definitely. Ask around to your business owner friends to see which insurance agents that they use. Getting a referral is a great way to ensure that you're going to work with a reputable insurance broker. Now, if you're starting a business, you need to know that there is a myriad of regulation that you're going to have to deal with. And failing to comply with the statutes and the rules in your state could result in significant fines and even endanger the existence of your business. You want to make sure that there's a level of risk management in your company to help reduce potential tort exposure and regulatory liability. Your business attorney can be very helpful to you with compliance. Attorneys are trained to spot issues that could cause trouble down the road.
And boy, could we spend hours and hours talking about this, Joy, as former regulatory prosecutors. Joy and I have taken many licenses away from folks that have businesses. So very important to keep your eye on the ball. So there are a number of ways that a company can stay up to date with compliance issues and really make sure that they are doing what they need to do to protect themselves. So the first thing they really should do is start with a code of ethics, which should guide the company's values and for everyone that works there. It should really be a template for how their business is run. They should also implement effective internal controls, institute good corporate governance practices, and spend a lot of time and effort on training employees and managers on the company's values and rules. Really spend a lot of time there and continue to learn innovative business practices. There's always a better and best and more efficient and better way to do things. And last but not least, they should not be afraid to call their attorney. This is how you stay out of trouble.
I wholeheartedly agree with that statement. Entrepreneurs will encounter a lot of gray areas, and they should not shy away from calling their business attorney to discuss the situation. Well, that wraps up another Takeoff Monday. Remember, we live stream Monday nights at 8 p.m. to the Rocket Ship Consultants Facebook page, YouTube channel, and to Rose's personal LinkedIn profile. If you want more information than provided on today's episode, then please go to our website, rocketshipconsultants.com. That's rocketshipconsultants.com. There you can read our blog and subscribe to our newsletter. You should also follow our company on social media. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at rocketshipconsultants.com. And you can also find us on Twitter now. If you have a future topic suggestion, be sure to put them in the comments. Please let us know if your company would like to team up with ours to sponsor our show or a relevant episode. Our contact information will be up at the end of the show. And that wraps it up for tonight. Good night, everybody.
Good night.